Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Godzilla Shimo Hybrid. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Godzilla Shimo crossover, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to go down and then back like this. Next, let's just draw a little line that's going to go over and up. Right above here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to come up and down for the eyebrow. Now, right over here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to come up and down for like the other eyebrow. Then we're going to make a line that comes up, and then a line that comes right to here. Now, I want to make the nose. So I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of come up and then over. And then I'm going to make a couple little curved lines like this. Let's make a line down here and then a bigger one here for the nostrils. We'll kind of make a little line longer over here too. Next, I'm going to bring this line over. We're going to come up and then down here. I'm going to curve this up and then down to right about there. Let's curve a line for the back of the mouth and put a couple more little lines back here. Then let's make a row of sharp pointy teeth right across the top. And we'll do that same thing right across the bottom. We'll put some sharp pointed teeth. For the tongue, let's draw a line that's going to go down and up, and then we're just going to bring it back. Then we'll draw a line down here for the back of the mouth. We're going to curve this line down and in. We're going to make this come down, and then we're just going to bring it right to about here. Now, right here by the eyes, let's make a couple little lines down. And then let's bring a couple little lines right to here to kind of give it a little more of that Godzilla style mouth. Next, I'm going to bring this line up and over to here. And then right over here, let's make some little kind of like spike shapes that come out of here, like some different little sizes. Then right up here, I'm going to put a couple more like bigger spikes. Then I'm going to make like a broken line that's just going to come right up and down a little bit. Next, let's draw some lines that are just going to kind of go down and then up to here, kind of shape out the neck. Now for the arm, I'm going to bring this line down. Then we're going to make two little lines here. And then I'm going to bring this line down. Let's put one big claw here, and then a second here. And we're going to make another one over here. I'm going to bring this up and in, and a couple little lines. Then I'm going to bring this line back, and then we're going to bring it up here. Then let's add a couple little lines right around here. And then let's go ahead and add the claws on here. And let's bring this line to here. Next, let's bring a couple lines that are going to curve up this way. Then for the back leg, let's bring a line that's going to come down and then back here. We'll make a couple little lines for like some wrinkles. And then we're going to make some big claws here. They're just going to come down to a point and back. We'll make one over here and kind of curve it up and down. We're going to bring this up and in, up and in. And we're going to curve this around. Next, I'm going to bring this line down here. I'm going to bring this line down to a point and back, and then one more down to a point and back. We'll put a little small claw over here. I'm going to bring this up, and I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve down and up here, kind of like a thumb. We're going to bring this up to here. Then we can go ahead and put the big claws on here, and also on the toes right back here. Then over here, I'm going to make another line. It's going to go down and then back. And we're going to make a line that comes down for a claw, and then one more here. And we're going to bring this line up and come in, and then back to here. We'll put some little claws on there. Next, let's bring this line down and kind of curve it to here. We're going to jump through here. We're going to come right through here. And we're going to bring this out to here. Next, let's draw this line to here. And we're going to bring this right over to here. Now, at the end of the tail here, let's make a couple spikes like this. And then I'll put a couple more over here. And then I'm going to make a line that's going to kind of curve around like this, and then kind of come down to make it kind of look like Godzilla's spikes. Kind of curve a line here and curve one there. Next, I'm going to just kind of make some little spikes in between here. And just to kind of fill up some of those little broken lines that we made. Just some like different size ones. And then I want to add something a little bit more kind of like Godzilla style. First though, let's kind of fill in some little spikes up here, different sizes. Just kind of give it a little bit of that Shimo look. We're just going to kind of make these come all the way down. Then we're going to make some big, kind of more Godzilla style spikes right along here. We're going to make these kind of come up and down with different points. And we're just going to kind of do these all the way till we get to about here on the tail. Then I want to put some more spikes back here. We just want to kind of see the points of them. Some can be bigger, some can be smaller, just to make it look a little bit more interesting. Then I'm going to put some more spikes along here. Then I think it'd be cool to add a couple of these pointed spikes on here too. Now I'm going to make some like broken lines that kind of come down the back here, just to give it a little bit of texture. I'm going to make some lines here, and I'm going to bring this line to here, and we're going to bring this line here. We'll also bring another line right up here for the tail. We'll add a couple little kind of like curved lines that come down, and we're just going to make these kind of like scaly texture pattern along the tail. Next on the knees, I like to add some little kind of broken lines here, just to make them look wrinkly. You can do that on the elbows. And maybe a couple little lines here where the arm's going to bend. And even a couple lines here. I like to add some lines onto the claws and everything. And I like to do some little broken lines right around here. A couple little lines right here by the chin and kind of around the mouth. And then even some little extra lines onto these big spikes, the kind of Godzilla style ones. Maybe even throw a couple more big spikes back here just to kind of really fill this area up. And then maybe we can even put like a couple little spikes on here, on his chin, just to kind of add some detail. I'm going to make kind of like a wavy, kind of broken line right across here, just to kind of show the different textures and colors of the stomach. And then you can always just kind of come in here and add little lines wherever you like to, just to kind of make it a little bit more detail. Little broken lines across things can kind of help add some texture and detail. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Godzilla. I can't talk. There's your drawing of a Godzilla and Shimo crossover. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.